Hi, welcome back to our second video for 6.6 Arithmetic Series. In this second example, we're going to find the sum of an arithmetic series given just the first few terms. So for part A here, we want to find the specified sum. So S15, so the sum of the first 15 terms for this sequence here. So these are just the first three, and then there's a bunch more. There's a total of 15, and we want to find the sum of them. So instead of writing them all out and using our calculator and punching them in, we're just going to use our specified formula. So let's write out what's given first. So I have my first term, A, and do I know the common difference? So we are told it is an arithmetic series, so I know there should be a common difference, and it looks like it's plus 4. We add 4 each time to get the next term. So D is 4. And we want the sum of the 15 terms. So N is 15. So this should be pretty easy. We could just use our second formula where we have the first term. It's 2 times the first term. And then we have plus D times N minus 1. So this was our second equation that we had. So we're just going to plug these in and calculate our total. So N is 15, A is negative 12, D is 4. So just be careful plugging everything in. Don't make any mistakes. I'm going to leave the 15 over 2 the way it is for now. We have negative 24 plus 4 times 14. So I'll clean that up in a second. 4 times 14, that's 56. So we actually have negative 24 plus 56. And that is 32. So 32 over 2 is 16. 16 times 15 is 240. So that would be our total 240 for that one. So that's our sum for the first arithmetic sequence. It's going to move that out of the way a bit here. We're going to go ahead and do part B. So there's my first term, negative 11m. So this is supposed to be arithmetic 2. So to go from negative 11m to negative 2m, we must have added 9m. And to go from negative 2m to 7m, we must have added 9m again. So that's the common difference, 9m. And we want it for 20 terms. So we're going to follow the same thing. It's going to write out the formula one more time. So we want the sum for the first 20 terms. So n is 20. First term was negative 11m. Common difference is 9m. And n is 20, so 20 minus 1. So I just filled everything into the formula. 20 over 2 is 10. And then we'll have negative 22m for there. And then 20 minus 1 is 19. So 10 times negative 27m, and 9 times 19 is, I believe that'll be 171. Yeah, it's 171. So that should give us a total of, let's plug this in our calculator here. So we have 171 minus 27 gives us 144. Oh, that's not 27, it's 22. Sorry, I just noticed here my writing a bit. That's 27. 20, so that should be 22 there. So 171 minus 22, that does give us 149. So like I said, make sure you're very careful with everything, plugging these in. And that's an easy calculation. We'll just add 1 to the decimal place. So we got 1490 m. That's my sum of all the terms in this series, all 20 terms. Okay, that's actually it for the second video. So I'll see you guys in the next one where we start example 3.